App-connected litter box. This litter box is connected to the My PetSafe app on your smartphone so you can monitor your cat's health and her litter box from anywhere, even when you're not home. Automatically cleans for weeks. The hands-free cleaning cycle runs 20 minutes after your cat leaves her litter box and rakes solid waste into a waste trap. Simply swap one fresh litter tray per month. Track your cat's health. Real-time usage data shows as an activity log in your app so you can track your cat's litter box activity to note any irregularities that may signal possible health concerns. Never touch or see smelly waste. Disposable, leak-proof trays are pre-filled with premium crystal litter for unbeatable odor control. Automatic rake sweeps waste into covered trap to lock away smells. Notifications for peace of mind. Based on the number of times your kitty has used her litter box, you can customize your app to receive reminders when it's time to change or order more litter trays. Modern design. With its sleek form and style, this litter box will look great in your home. Covered box gives your cat privacy. For use with crystal litter only, this automatic litter box only works with crystal litter and won't work with clay or clumping cat litter. U.S. based customer care. Our pet product experts are here to help you and your pet and are available by phone, email or chat if you have any questions. Top reviews from the United States. Love it. My mom is 73Y. And barely gets around. I have been going to her apartment every 2 days and scooping her cat's poop. I had back surgery and wasn't able to. I was scared she was gonna fall doing it herself. I got her this. Absolutely love it. No mess, empty one every 30 days for one cat. It works great. Cat goes potty, it waits 20 minutes then rakes. Keeps it clean and odor-free. Crystals absorbs the urine odor, urine gets absorbed in mat in bottom of tray and poop gets raked away. Worry-free for 30 days. Just slide out tray and use provided cover and goes in trash. Slide in another refill. Refills are a bit expensive, $20 for 30 days. But convenience and cleanliness far outweighs the price. So glad I bought it.